Hi friends, once again KT sir is here with the concept from the chapter circle. If you have not seen my earlier videos related to the concepts of mathematics, you can check the playlist in my YouTube channel. Of course, if you have not seen my earlier video which is related to the circle and the terms related to it, first watch that video and then continue with this video. In this video, we are going to talk about theorem which is very important. Why it is important? Many sums have the basic application of this theorem in the sum. So from that point of view, you should be thorough with this theorem. So let's start with the theorem. Now the theorem states that the perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. The perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. Now what is given to us? They have given us, okay, we have a circle. So let's draw the circle with the center P. Then they are talking about a chord. So I'll take the chord AB. And they are also talking about perpendicular drawn from the center. Now our center is P, so I'll draw the perpendicular from the center P. So I have taken PE perpendicular to AB. So let us write the given part. Given part says there is a circle with a center P where PE is perpendicular to AB and E lies between A and B. Now what you're supposed to prove? You're supposed to prove that this perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle bisects the chord. Now when I say bisects the chord, that means it divides the chord in two equal parts. So you're supposed to prove AE is equals to BE. Now whenever we have to prove two things equal or congruent, we generally take the help of triangles. Here the triangles are not there, but we will get the triangles with the help of small construction. And the construction is draw PA and PB. Now if you observe, we get a two triangles. Which are the two triangles you get? You get triangle PEA and PEP. Now first of all, what type of triangles they are? They are right angle triangle. So we know since both are right angle triangle, major angle PEA has to be equals to major angle PEB is equals to 90 degree. Why? Each angle of 90 degree. Now since they are right angle triangle, check is the hypotenuse also congruent? Now in these triangles, PA and PB are the hypotenuse and they both are equal. Why? Radii of the same circle. So it is a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is congruent. Now check, do we have one more pair of side congruent? Yes, if you observe, PE is a common side. So the PE is congruent to side PE and the reason is common side. Now in right angle triangle, whenever you have a hypotenuse congruent and one pair of side congruent, we say both the triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test. Acha, it is also known as RHS test. So RHS test and hypotenuse side test are one and the same. Now since we have proved the two triangles are congruent, we know the remaining elements will also be congruent. Now when I talk about the remaining elements, I first will talk about the sides. Now if I say remaining sides, see already two pair of sides are equal, that is PA and PB, and PE is a common side. So which is the third pair of side left? AE. So I can say side AE is congruent to side BE and the reason is CSCT. Acha, we can also write the reason as CPCT. They both mean one and the same. So either you can write CSCT or you can write CPCT. Now since the side AE is congruent to side BE, I can say AE is equals to BE. So in other words, we have proved the theorem which states the perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. Now let's have a look at one sum based on this concept. What is given? Distance of a chord AB from the center of a circle is 8 cm. Length of the chord AB is 12 cm. Find the diameter of the circle. Now let us analyze what is given. Distance of a chord AB from the center of a circle is 8 cm. So we have a chord AB which is of length 12 cm and it is at a distance of 8 cm from the center. Now whenever we talk about the distance, remember it is always perpendicular. So in other words, our OM is perpendicular to chord AB because point O is at a distance of 8 cm from chord AB. So OM will become perpendicular to AB. They have asked us to find the diameter of the circle. Now diameter, what is the diameter? It is a special type of a chord which is passing through the center, and it is the largest chord. So in order to find the diameter, first we need to find radius. Now when I say radius, we need to find the length OA. So let's start with the sum. Now see, as you know, OM is perpendicular to AB. So I can say perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. So that will give us what? AM will be half of AB. And the reason you all know, perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. Now, what is the length AB given? It is given to us as 12. So it is half into 12. Now 2 ones are 2 6 are. So basically AM becomes 6 centimeter. Now observe in triangle OMA. First of all, it is a right angle triangle. We know the length of OM, we know the length of AM. Can we get the third side OA? Yes. How? By Pythagoras theorem. Now Pythagoras theorem, when we apply, what do we get? We get OA square is equals to OM square plus AM square. Now OA तो अपने को find करना है. So OA square is equals to, now OM is 8. So it is 8 square plus 6 square. What is 8 square? 64. And 6 square? 36. So 64 plus 36 will give us 100. So in other words, our OA will become root of 100. Now root of 100, square root of 100 is 10. So our OA has become 10 centimeter. So in other words, we got the radius of circle as 10 centimeter. Now if the radius of circle is 10 centimeter, then what will be the length of diameter? Yes, we all know the diameter is 2 times the radius. Now if it is 2 times the radius, that means we need to multiply 10 with 2. So it will become 20 centimeter. So in other words, the diameter of a circle is 20 centimeter. I hope you have understood this. Acha, in a brain gym section, I have given 2 sums which are simply based on an application of this theorem. Rewatch this video and then try to do that sum. Definitely will get the answer. I will be providing you the answers in my description also. So let's move to a brain gym section. Do solve these sums. Try to get the answer. Cross check your answer with the answer given in a description. If you are stuck up somewhere, do rewatch this video and then try it. I hope you must have understood the concept and also like the video. Please share this video with your friends and also subscribe my channel for the regular updates. Thank you.